Hi guys, welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. I'm your favorite host and coach, Ruth, and I want to welcome you once again to our tutorial. Today I'll be teaching us how to get Canva Pro free of charge. Yes, but before that, I'll show you how to register on Canva, because before you can get the pro you must be registered. So I'm going to my Chrome. Remember, Canva has an app and a website, and the two function well the same way. Like what you can do on the app you can do on the website. So I'll be using the website version. All right guys, so follow me. Let's go to my Chrome. I'm going to be typing canva.com. I'm actually registered already, so I'm going to log out and start a new registration for the benefit of those that did not do. Okay, this is canva.com, so I'm just going to opt in. Okay, all right, just like I said. Okay, let's wait for it to load out quickly. Now, because I'm actually registered already, you can see it just brought me to my own page. Okay, now to log out, I'm going to click on this menu here. So I'm going to click on menu. It's loading my menu. Okay, you can see Giant Graphics. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to setting. Okay, so let's just hold on for it. Okay, you can see your account, login and security, email preference, team details, people group, billing. So I'm going to click on login and security because I actually want to log out. Okay, please add an email to your account before making change to your password. You can see sign out from all device, delete account. I'm not going to delete the account. Okay, I'm just going to sign out because I want to sign in again. You can see sign out of all device. Are you sure you want to sign out? So I'm just going to sign out. Okay, now you can see it brought me back to the login or sign up in seconds. Okay, so I'm going to sign up because of the newbie. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to sign up. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook, you can continue with email. If you continue with email, it means you're going to put in your email address, your name, your phone number, and all the details that is needed. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with Google, and I'm going to use one of my Google accounts to sign in. You can also sign up with your Facebook account. I think I signed that up with my Facebook account. Okay, so I'm going to continue with Google, and I'm going to choose any of my Google accounts to sign up. Okay, so I'm just going to choose one randomly, and well, is signing me up for canva.com. All right, and yes, my account is ready. Okay, so now I have a Canva account, a new Canva account. Okay, now you can see it's asking me to actually upgrade because this is a free version of Canva and the free version is limited. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. I'm going to open a new site and I'm going to start afresh and show you how to get Canva Pro. So I'm going to open a new tab. Okay, and I'm going to type in Bingo Tingo. That's where we are going to get our free Canva Pro. Okay, Bingo, Bingo Tingo. Now you can see bingotingo.com. Yes, that's exactly where I am going. Bingotingo.com. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Now you can see how to get Canva, how to use Canva. So I'm going to click on how to, I'm going to click on how to use Canva, okay? And it's going to take me straight to the place where I'm going to get it. Okay, now since I'm at how to get Canva, I'm going to scroll down, down until I'm going to see a place to download it. Okay, you can see you can download the file. It's actually a countdown from 60 seconds. Okay, so you can see once it counts down to 0, the download key will be highlighted and I'll be able to download my Canva. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, now you can see click here to download. So I'm simply going to click here to get my Canva Pro. So it's loading it out. Let's just wait for it patiently. Okay, so welcome to your Canva for Teams. Okay, so I'm going to click get it. Got it rather. Okay, so which means I'm part of a pro team. Now to check and be sure that I'm part of a pro team, I'm going to click on menu. You can see this is the new account I register, and this is the team I just joined. This is the team I just joined. I can just click on this to get to see there are other teams I can join. Okay, so there you can see there are teams. This is my personal account, which is the free one, the Canva Pro free, which I didn't do, and this is the team I just joined now. Now this must be ticked for you to know that you are actually part of the team. Now to be sure I'm on the pro team, I'm going to my home and I'm going to try a pro Canva design. Remember, if you are not on pro, you can't download any of the pro items. So I'm just going to go to a logo and I'm going to search for a pro design. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, now you can see okay, let me just look for a beautiful design with pro and I'm going to click on it and get it downloaded for you to be sure that I am on pro. Okay, looking for something cool. Something cool. Okay, I think I love this. So I'm going to go for it. This. You can see it's actually pro. The other ones without pro are free. You can use it on the free version. So I'm going to click on it. Now, if I'm not on pro, it's going to tell me to get Canva Pro to be able to use it. But you can see it's actually downloaded already. Okay, so you can just edit this to your taste. Let me assume that I've actually edited it. And I'm going to click on this to download it. I'm going to click here to download it, okay? All right. Now you can see download. I'm going to click on download. So always use the PNG format for your images on Canva. That's the best, okay? And I'm going to click on download and then see my design is downloaded already. Remember, it's a pro, and if I'm not on pro, I can't get that downloaded, okay? So I hope you understand this. Remember, we got our free Canva Pro from bingotingo.com, where you click on how to use Canva and you wait for the countdown and you download your Canva, which is your Canva Pro. Remember, before you start that process, you must be logged in to your Canva. All right, everybody, thank you for watching this video. And if there's more you want us to do, please remember to drop your questions or your request in the comment section. Thank you very much.